Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Gemini placement. So, this is your love reading ngayong March. Okay, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, syempre, if you are interested pagdating sa ating private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, and yes, kung may tanong naman po pagdating sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, sa ating Evil Eye ring, and sa ating Evil Eye necklace, just message me. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Gemini. So, ano ba ang situation? No. Okay. Gemini, ano ang situation? Gemini. Okay. The Six of Wands in reversed. The Moon in reversed. Ay, gumugulo. Sa reading mo, Gemini. Wait lang. Okay. So, okay. Six of Wands in reverse, the Moon in reversed. Meron ditong parang habol ng habol. Tuwan-tuwa naman yung nagpapahabol. Okay? Tuwang-tuwa yung nagpapahabol dito, Gemini. Ikaw, kung sino man sa inyong naghahabol, siya yung nagiging kawawa. Okay? So, sino ba itong taong ito, Gemini? Sino itong taong ito? Anong meron sa kanya? The Sun. The Ego. The Pride. Tuwang-tuwa. No? The Sun and the Three of Cups in reverse. Itong taong ito, talagang nafe-feed mo yung ego niya. Okay? Some of you, sabihin natin hindi niya maibigay sa'yo yung label ng connection na gusto mo. Okay? So, you're parang naiiwan kang parang nag-iisip, kawawa, or parang, yun nga, di ba? Damang-dama nito yung importansya na ibinibigay mo sa kanya. Some of this is your friend, or this is someone na talagang alam niya, okay, na gusto mo siya. Okay? So, talaga nagpapahabol to. Anong intention or anong emosyon niya? Tingnan natin. Ano bang emosyon niya sa'yo? Anong emosyon nito sa'yo, Gemini? Death. Wow. And the Star in reverse. Wala itong gusto. Wala itong, yeah. The Star in reverse. Wala. Wala kang ningning. Kung bituin ka, wala kang ningning para sa kanya. Ganon. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. This person doesn't want to be in a relationship with you. Okay? If this is a past person, kung past person ito, wala itong gustong energy na makipagbalikan. Wala itong energy makipagbalikan sa'yo. Okay? Kung nandyan siya, parang sabihin nating pagdating sa messages, if ever, no, or may mga pinapakita siyang mga mixed signals, is just playing with you. Okay? Ganun lang. Huwag ka ma-confuse dito. Okay? Wag. No. Okay. So, ano bang mga zodiac dito? Okay, we have here Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, Pisces. May konting water and fire. Okay. Water, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Fire sign is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Okay, so anong next action niya towards you, Gemini? Okay, anong next action niya if ever you're always reaching out, gawa ka ng gawa ng kung ano man, like, tingnan natin. The Hanged Man, wala siyang gagawin. Okay, maghihintay lang to palagi ng pwede mong gawin para sa kanya. Okay, what's with the Hanged Man? Yeah, the devil. See? They will strung you along. Okay? Talagang ang gagawin nito is parang paaasahin ka na may something by throwing you mixed signals, ganyan, and yeah, they will strung you along. Okay? Grabe naman. Hindi ka hahayaan nitong taong to na makawala ka because they are playing. Nasisiyahan nga to sa'yo. Actually. Nasisiyahan ito sa ginagawa mo for them. You're boosting their ego. You're feeding their ego. Okay? Hindi maganda. Anong dapat mong gawin, Gemini, sa taong ito? Okay. Lagi kang kina-cut off nito, sa totoo lang. Dapat mong gawin is the Queen of Coins and the Justice. Give respect to yourself. Okay? Kung hindi sila maging fair sa ginagawa mo, then, mag-isip-isip ka muna. Okay, you're confused. You're the moon. They're the sun. You're the moon in reverse. Okay? So, it's unfair. No, nagiging unfair itong taong to sa'yo, so ikaw na ang bahalang magbigay ng fairness sa sarili mo. If you need to step back, okay, do it. Yeah. Okay. The Page of Coins in reverse. If you're still sabihin nating kumukontak ka pa rin, tigil mo. Itigil mo. Yeah. With the Queen of Coins, pagdating sa sarili mo, respetuhin mo, yung sarili mo. Hindi yung some of you, alam mo nang ginagamit ka pero patuloy ka. Nasisiyahan ka ba sa paghabol sa kanya? No, you're not. No, you're not. Yes. Okay. So, marami na kasing pagbabago rin pagdating sa emosyon nito sa'yo. So, napakadali. Kung gustuhin niya na totally layuan ka or i-drop ka, gagawin nila. Kung gusto lang i-play ka nila, i-flirt ka nila. Ganun lang. Because they have no emotions pagdating sa'yo. If you have emotion for this person, talagang kakawawain ka. Okay? This is like a runner-chaser energy. Stop with the chase. Stop it. Okay? So, yun lang. Respetuhin mo ang sarili mo ngayon. Ngayon na mismo. Okay? So, okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. All signs for Gemini placements. Okay. Aries, they missed you. Taurus, they're thinking of you. Some of them, they're waiting. Gemini, some of them, they're trapped, stuck. Okay, ang daming pinag-iisip, ang daming gusto ng kasagutan. Cancer, they are avoiding you. Avoiding the situation, maybe. Okay. Leo, so hindi na siya ganoon, parang kadikit, no? Sa'yo, oo, hindi na. Parang may paglaylo na. Virgo, they're moving on. Libra, they're doing the right thing. Okay? Kung ano man yon, I don't know. Kanya-kanya yon. Okay. Scorpio, they doesn't want any kind of parang comeback or a repeat. No, ayaw na nila yon. Sagittarius, okay, so they're happy. Yeah. Ego, nandyan rin. Pride, nandyan rin. Capricorn, so they doesn't want any kind of drama. Okay, some of them ayaw nila ng effort or umeffort ngayon. Aquarius, they're being irresponsible by sabihin nating hindi paggawa ng mga dapat or hindi pagsabi ng mga dapat sabihin. And Pisces, okay, there's a repeat. Okay, some of you, there's a comeback. There is a return from this Pisces. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.